The latest from Washington tops 2 News Nevada at 4 o'clock. The case was brought to the court after the Trump administration tried to restrict birthright citizenship via an executive order.
Now, the Supreme Court said today that federal judges who issue nationwide injunctions blocking presidential orders are overstepping their authority. However, the court sidestepped ruling on whether the president actually has the authority to change birthright citizenship policies. Erica Brown is live for us in Washington with a closer look at this. Erica?
Well, Kristen and Ariana, this Supreme Court ruling clears some roadblocks to the president's agenda. It does help him push through some of the executive orders that were previously blocked by nationwide injunctions.
Well, this was a big one, wasn't it?
President Trump praised the Supreme Court ruling that limits the ability of federal judges to issue nationwide injunctions blocking presidential orders.
This is really also a decision based on common sense.
The High Court sided with the Trump administration in a 6-3 decision, split along ideological lines. Justice Amy Coney Barrett, writing the majority opinion, said, quote, universal injunctions likely exceeded the equitable authority that Congress has given to federal courts.
It was a grave threat to democracy, frankly, and instead of merely ruling on the immediate cases before them, these judges have attempted to dictate the law for the entire nation.
Writing the dissenting opinion, Justice Sonia Sotomayor said no right is safe in the new legal regime the court creates. Many of President Trump's executive orders have been halted with these nationwide injunctions issued by federal judges. But now the president says his administration will move forward implementing those orders,
including birthright citizenship, ending sanctuary city funding, suspending refugee resettlement, freezing unnecessary funding, stopping federal taxpayers from paying for transgender surgeries, and numerous other priorities of the American people. We have so many of them.
The Supreme Court's ruling did not address the constitutionality of the president's move to limit birthright citizenship. The Attorney General said she expects that issue to reach the justices this fall.
Now, the Supreme Court has laid out a 30-day window before this ruling takes effect, during which some immigration rights groups are expected to file class action lawsuits to try to challenge the president's order on birthright citizenship. Kristen, Ariana?
Nevada senators panned the ruling. In a statement, Senator Cortez Masto said, quote, limiting nationwide injunctions will have long-lasting effects on our courts, ceding even more power to the executive branch and providing justice only to those with the means or luck to have a lawyer, end quote. And Senator Jackie Rosen said, quote, about the ruling, quote, by limiting nationwide injunctions, the court is stripping away a critical tool used to protect against illegal or unconstitutional actions from Donald Trump and any future administration, end quote. We did reach out to Congressman Mark Amadei's office to get his reaction, but we've not yet heard back.